find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point 0 to 3 on the line x plus 3 upon 5, y minus 1 upon 5 and z plus 4 upon 3. Now, this is a point P, this is a line, equation of a line is this one, and we have to find coordinates of point M, foot of the perpendicular. Now, let point M be the foot of the perpendicular from point P with the given coordinates, let it be 0, 2 and 3 to the given line, and given line is x plus 3 upon 5 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z plus 4 upon 3. Now, the coordinates on the line 1, let this be equation number 1. The coordinates on the line 1 of any journal point are given by, now it is x plus 3 upon 5 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z plus 4 upon 3 is equal to lambda for any point on the same line. So, solving this one, we can write it x plus 3 is equal to 5 lambda, y minus 1 is equal to 2 lambda and z plus 4 is equal to 3 lambda, or x is equal to 5 lambda minus 3, y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 and z is equal to 3 lambda minus 4. Number 2. Okay. No, these are the coordinates. Let this be as it is. No, let this be like this. Okay. Now, let the coordinates of point M be 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda minus 4. This be equation number 2. It was one and the same thing, but now we just have to mention that these are the coordinates of point M. Now, what we have done it, first of all, to this equation we have put for any of the journal point in this, on this line to be lambda, and then values for x, y and z is of any point on this line. So, we have taken the point as a M, the journal point as a M, and the coordinates of M are now 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda minus 4. Simple thing. Now, direction ratios of line PM. Now, direction ratios as we have done it, it is x1 minus x or x2 minus x1. Okay. So, direction ratios of line PM now will be coordinates of M and coordinates of P while subtracting. So, first is 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0, 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0, 0 for point P, then 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2 and then 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. So we are having 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda minus 1 and 3 lambda minus 7. Direction ratios for the line PM. Now direction ratios of line 1. Now line 1 is the given line. Okay. So direction ratios of line 1 are 5, 2 and 3. Now since PM is perpendicular let it be on. PM is perpendicular on the given line, therefore, now what the condition is? A1, A2, if A1 is the direction cosines of one line, A2 with starting with A2 with second line, so we are having a formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. So that's what we are doing. Now this 5 with 5 lambda minus 3 plus 2 with 2 lambda minus 1 plus 3 with 3 lambda minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, and I am writing the reason also what we have used it. As I told you, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solving this one, what we are having? 25 lambda minus 15 plus 4 lambda minus 2 plus 9 lambda minus 21 is equal to 0. (38 lambda minus 38 is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 1. Now substituting value of lambda in equation 2. Equation 2 is which one? This one. So we are having now in equation 2 we are getting 5 minus 3 2, 2 plus 1 3 and 3 minus 4 minus 1. Hence coordinates of point M are 2, 3, minus 1. Answer. And this is a very important concept, very important question.